Hey everyone, today we're walking through how to change the oil in the Predator 13,000 watt generator from Harbor Freight. This is a high-powered unit built for serious backup or job site use, and we're going to make sure it stays in great shape. We'll show you everything you need, including tools, oil type, and a few Votex upgrades that will protect your engine from day one. Let's start with what you need. 10mm socket or wrench, oil drain pan, funnel, Allen wrench for the dipstick, 48 ounces of 10W30 oil, and optional but recommended Votex crush washer. We'll also be installing the Votex magnetic drain plug and magnetic dipstick, both made in the USA. Step 1, warming it up, which is optional. It's a good idea to run the generator for a few minutes to warm up the oil. This helps it drain better. Once warm, shut it down, disconnect the spark plug for safety, and we'll get started. Step 2, locate and remove the drain plug. With the unit powered down, locate the drain plug near the base of the engine. You'll need a 10mm socket to remove it. Then, slide an oil pan underneath, loosen the drain bolt, and remove the dipstick to help the oil drain smoothly. Step 3, install the Votex magnetic drain plug and washer. Now we'll install the Votex magnetic drain plug. This uses a rare earth neodymium magnet rated for high temperatures, meaning it'll keep holding metal particles even under engine heat. This is especially important during the break-in period, when the most metal shavings are likely to come loose. And don't forget the Votex crush washer. It'll give you a clean, leak-free seal. With the 20-pack, you're set for years of maintenance. Step 4, install the Votex magnetic dipstick. Next, we're upgrading the plastic factory dipstick with the Votex magnetic dipstick. It's made of solid stainless steel, and it has a magnetic tip to grab more metal particles that could cause engine wear. It also features a flat O-ring for better sealing and a hex-style head, so if you accidentally over-tightened it during a previous oil change, you can still remove it easily. Step 5, compare dipsticks. Before adding new oil, compare the Votex dipstick to the factory one. Look at how the high and low marks line up. Step 6, add the oil. The Predator 13,000 watt generator takes 48 fluid ounces of 10W30 motor oil. Be sure to check the manual to confirm if there's been a change. Add the oil gradually, then check your level with the Votex dipstick. You want the oil right at the full mark, not overfilled. Step 7, final checks and cleanup. Reinstall the dipstick. Double check the drain plug is snug and clean off any oil residue. Dispose of your used oil properly, reconnect your spark plug, and you're done. That's it. Full oil change on the Predator 13,000 watt generator, plus some smart engine protection upgrades. The Votex magnetic drain plug and dipstick help pull out harmful particles, and the crush washers keep everything sealed up tight. Everything we used is linked below, including a full unboxing and setup video for this unit. Be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our next maintenance video.